Hello, and thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365's Microsoft Dynamics Training Demo Series. My name is Kelsey Chambers, and today we will be going over how to access your processes through Dynamics 365, the Sales Hub, and Microsoft Flow. Getting to viewing and creating a process can be accessed through several routes, though all will eventually bring you to the Power Apps to actually do the creating and editing process itself. In order to access it through Dynamics 365, select your Settings tile, and then under Process Center, select Processes. From here, you can view all of the processes, including your business process flows. In this example, we will select the business process flows and then the new from the action bar. This will bring up a Create Process dialog box. For the process name, we'll go ahead and give it a name. And it can be anything that you want it to be. For category, we'll stick with the business process flow. And for entity, we'll go ahead and use lead. Keep in mind for your business process type, if you're going to want to be able to run the application through the classic interface or the unified interface, which is the newer released version. Select OK. You can't have a hyphen in there. Okay, and once we select OK, it will bring this up in the Power Apps as mentioned before. It is important to note that once you select your category and entity, you will not be able to change this. The only way to make a change would be essentially to begin again. Both options, once again, will bring you to the Power Apps canvas, be it if you're creating a new or if you're going in and you're viewing to edit an existing process. You can also save as on an existing process in order to create a copy with small editable changes. This could be most useful in having a similar copy when you're looking at creating role-defined processes that may be similar but might have a few more or a few less steps depending on the type of role you're defining. Or if you don't want certain information to be divulged to certain roles as well. You can also access the processes through the Sales Hub app. Select the drop-down next to Dynamics 365 and then select Sales Hub. Once your Sales Hub opens, you'll be able to see your different types of sales leads, opportunities, or competitors on the left-hand navigation bar. By selecting lead or the other type of entities that you want to create a flow or view a flow for, you can see the flow on the top of the screen. Select the drop-down, and there will be an option to create a flow or to see your flows. By selecting See Your Flows or Create a Flow, both will take you to the Microsoft Flow application. From here, you'll be able to see My Flows, Team Flows, or Business Process Flows. Selecting the Business Process Flows, you'll be able to see each of the different types of processes that have already been created, again, within your organization, much the same as in the Dynamics 365, only now you'll see it directly through Microsoft Flow. However, when you do select and hover over, there will be an Edit button, as well as more commands so you can turn on or delete directly from here. Selecting the Edit button once again brings you to the Power Apps. Finally, you can also view, create, and edit your processes by going directly to the Flow application as well. Select the 9 dots in the left-hand screen and select Flow. Once your page loads, you should be able to see your Flow application pull up right away. If it doesn't pull up right away and you see another screen where you can select your app from there, go ahead and select it or select View All Apps. From here, once again, you'll select My Flows and you'll be able to see the business process flows from here. This will conclude our training demo on the sales workflow process from a lead to an opportunity. Thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365 for our Microsoft Dynamics 365 training demo series. Check out our other training demo videos, leave us a comment, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at info@ppi365.com. We hope you join us again soon.